obviously I'm at home, as you can see, and today I'm home alone. Everybody in my house went out. What they did basically was leave me with all the cleaning to do. So there's like so many dishes to wash. You guys know I hate washing dishes. I have to do that and clean the place. But first, I'm going to go and make myself breakfast because I'm actually very hungry. These people really left me with no matches, with no food. Like, how? What? There's this garlic bread thing that my sister made one time, so I think I would try to do that recipe. I actually don't know how I should do it, but I'll try my best. And then after that, I'll do the cleaning, and then I have to read because I keep forgetting that I have exams in literally a week. And for somebody who has not been to many classes this year, ever since we returned from Christmas break, I've not been going to class because there's reasons, okay? There's reasons. Jesus Christ, it's so hot. I'm glistening with sweat. Welcome to another video. Oh my god, I think it's been so long I've forgotten how to start videos. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Kati. If you're new here, this channel is just about random, you can check the videos that are on this channel. It's just a bunch of stuff about myself and just things that I want to make videos about. And I've been at home for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks now, almost 3 weeks now, because of election break and all of that. That has now been extended a week further. I had planned on making a few videos when I came back home, but honestly, not a lot of stuff has been happening in my life. I've just been at home. I haven't really gone anywhere or seen anybody or done anything, so there hasn't been anything to film. But today I decided, let me just do something. I'm doing something today actually. I'm not going out, but I applied for a program basically, and there's like a screening test thing I'm supposed to do. I just said, you know what, let me shower and like kind of like feel cute as I take it. And I've been studying since yesterday, which is when I found out that I made it to the screening round, and I feel like I'm prepared. If I don't make it, I'm going to be so sad, and that's just going to be another failed interview to add to my list of failed interviews. Shedding tears, but it's fine. It is fine. I'm not like one of those, oh, that was like the plan, it'll all work out for the best. But I'm just like, you know what? If I don't pass it, that's like, life goes on. I'm not going to cry about it, but I'll be sad, but like it's really, it's whatever. So I'm going to take the test now. I hope it's fine, and yeah, I'll report back I guess, to see how the test went. Because like there's really no information on what you're supposed to study, so I kind of just googled and went off of what the people last year did. So I hope that will be fine. Fingers crossed. That was a very, very stupid test, and I'm very sad. I said I was not going to be sad, but oh my, like, I didn't expect it to be that bad. It's over now, I guess. There'll be more opportunities. I'm so sad. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's not funny, but it's also like not like incredibly sad. There's worse things that have happened to me, so. But oh god, like nothing I read. Okay, maybe a little bit, but like I didn't expect the questions to be that way. It's fine. I'm not shy, I'll say it. I've been picturing you naked on a little face. Slumber party. I'm so shy. Dance from my desk to my drawer, singing karaoke while my mom was at the store. Said that she was walking on me singing Paramore, while y'all was sticking house keys in motherfucking sockets. I was stuffing all your lunch monies in my pocket. tomatoes float. That is rad. Why is this busting my head so much? He's still drizzling a bit. There's termites everywhere. Oh my god. Wait. That is plenty termites. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just excited that it finally rained. And I can wear a sweater. It's still drizzling. Like, I'd rather be in the cold any day. And I have to go back to Minna where it's hot all the time. Oh, I'm so tall. Wow. This seed for, I don't know what this plant is called, but I saw this one that had begun to like open and like try to sprout and thing, and I've never seen it at this stage before, and I was like, maybe it was under the soil surface and then the rain brought it up. But I see the two little leaves would have been leaves. It's cute. Like me, I'm so Hi. Welcome to this new angle of my room. This is the well, I actually changed the arrangement of my room. But this, I'm filming on my laptop from the webcam, hence the quality, and this is my table, and this is kind of what is beyond my table, and then my bed is on this side somewhere. So today was governorship elections, and I'm going back to school on Monday. Very excited about that. I want to leave this place so bad. And this is all my clean clothes. These are all the clean clothes that I have to fold, and I just want to do them today because tomorrow I have to go to the market, and also my sister and I have to like sew some stuff for upcycling some clothes. So we have to do that tomorrow. So I just want to fold these ones, and I also have to do some laundry tomorrow again because that pile right there is dirty clothes. So I just want to arrange this stuff, put them inside the bag that I'm going with, so that I know I don't have to do that tomorrow, and I will just focus on what I have to do. Focus on what I have to do tomorrow, and then on Monday I can leave finally. So I'm going to be watching YouTube on my phone whilst I pack. So enjoy the montage, or I don't know what it is. Oh, this water is too cold. But yeah, let's get to packing. This is the bag I'm going with. It's quite I thought it was bigger than this, like in relation to my size, but I guess it's not that big. But this is double the size I used to carry, like when I'm coming for short breaks and stuff like that. But this is the bag. Hopefully it doesn't get filled completely today because I still have a lot of things to put inside. Just keep this. The entire room is so messy. And start watching my video. think I have been wearing this shirt wrong the entire time. I don't know, this makes no sense, but the collar is like a bishop collar, but every time I wear it I fold it down because I'm stupid. So as you can see, the chair is empty and I folded everything. Is on my bed. I put like some of the bigger things inside the bag already, like bed sheets and like a scarf, and now it's putting everything inside the bag. But I've managed to fold everything. I don't know what that one shirt is, but I'm actually surprised that the clothes aren't that many, because I remember when I was coming back from school I had to like really squeeze everything inside, but I think this is like an okay amount. Of course I know there's still like some to wash and fold and stuff, but I'm confident that everything will be able to fit inside the bag perfectly. So I'm just going to put this, continue watching my video and watching Radia Rahman's vlog. She's one of my favorite artists and favorite YouTubers, and she released a very huge like 40 something minutes video today, and I like videos. I'm a YouTube girl. I'm not about the short form content, YouTube shorts and TikToks. I like chunky videos. So I'm going to be watching that. I've probably gone like more than halfway now because, oh my god, it's been almost an hour. I'm ashamed of myself that it took me so long to fold all these clothes. But I'm going to finish putting everything inside the bag now, and hopefully there's still a lot of space.